Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you so much for all your story responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to everyone who's watching Sundays with Neelu. So, coming to this week's story. The title of this week's story is The Story of a Bamboo Tree. So, what happened? Once upon a time, there was a man who was very frustrated with his life and he left his home and walked into a forest. So, as he kept walking, he met a hermit, a wise man. So, he asked him, oh wise man, just help me. Give me a reason to live, and give me a reason why shouldn't I quit this life. So the wise man smiled and said, look at those two plants, there is a bamboo tree and a fern, and he said, many years back, I planted a bamboo tree and I planted a fern. So when I planted the fern, I watered both the plants equally, both bamboo tree and the fern equally. So as I kept watering them, the fern quickly grew and it became a huge one very soon. It spread all over the ground and it became very beautiful. And ferns are ornamental, so it looked very pretty. But there was no sign of the bamboo tree growing. But I still kept watering. And I kept watering the bamboo tree as well as the fern every single day. 5 years later, the bamboo tree shot up 100 feet tall at once. Yeah. So it started growing faster and faster and faster and it reached 100 feet tall. So the hermit asked the man, so why do you think, the bamboo tree, it took so long? So the man, obviously, he said that it must be growing underground, it must be growing roots underground. So then the hermit smiled and said, life is like that. On a daily basis, you may not find any growth, but every experience is teaching you something and you're growing every single day like the bamboo tree. And hence, it takes time, to grow. Yeah, to grow wiser and to grow along with life. So you should never quit life just like that because nothing is happening at this point in time. All of us are different and we take time to grow. So we must never quit. And this is the reason I am giving you not to quit. So never quit life, he said. So the man was very happy and he left and he continued with his life with this example of bamboo tree and the fern. And he said that patience pays. And it's very important to be patient and not be restless, especially during those periods when we face hardships. Yeah, so this he learned from the sage and he went back home and continued with his life despite hardships. So while reading this story, it's a very small story and I read it even from my mentor in Buddhism several times. But while reading this story, I remembered, when I first came to audition, for a serial, more than serial, I used to give all kinds of auditions. I used to give ad auditions, many auditions. So during that time, I always used to feel, why doesn't someone help me? Just get me up. I need a big star to pick me up and make me a star, or a big producer to call me and make me. I had no contacts. I had no one I knew in the industry. All the people in my house are into education. Yeah, they are all in banks and IT and so many things. So while doing this, I really had to go through hard times, because I didn't understand the process of getting onto television. So while during this period, whatever you call it, the struggle period or the learning period, so while I met several people, I finally found out my way. It took me 4 long years. There are people who immediately appeared on television and disappeared too. And they appeared immediately and they disappeared also. But it may be their luck. Some people sustain, some people don't sustain, even with learning or without learning. Yeah. But those who learn through hardships will definitely sustain. And as you all know, after that, after doing a couple of shows which shut down and then which went on, and then I did many more shows, but then when I hit Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, it became a big hit and it continued for a decade. So, like the bamboo tree, while I was learning, I was growing underground, spreading my roots and strengthening myself, learning about the ways of the television industry. And then when I went there, like, I learned even more. And then I grew tall along with other people who were present there, along with my team. So it's very important to understand that, okay, I remember doing a live chat with all of you, and one of the persons was asking, I'm giving several auditions, nothing is happening. See, people may help you, people may not help you, but no one can, unless and until you gain good experience, you will not hit upon a right role or a right thing. So it's very important for a person, whoever it is, in a job, in education, everything, to gain experience and to learn. That is very, very important. Okay. So, this is my personal experience which I remembered while reading about the story of a bamboo tree. So, what you feel, please put down in your comments, and I will reply to all those comments which are related to the story. Thank you so much, everyone. Please take care of yourself and have a happy Sunday. I'll catch you again next Sunday, only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, ciao.